Hello, welcome to Search Finance. On this channel is simply how to make money online, make find out the new and latest ways to make money online. That's basically what I do here. So right straight into what we're doing today: how to remove background from any image at all. All right, that's what we'll be doing here today. So there are a lot of softwares that help you remove background from your images, but this particular one I use is actually free to use. You don't even need to sign up, you don't need to do anything. So that's what makes it really cool for me. So I love using it because I don't get to sign up, I don't get to pay any fees, and it literally does this so in seconds. So let's head into the website. Is remove.bg. I've been using it so you can see it out there already. All right, so you can see it. It's the first link here. All right, just open the first link and you're right where we want you to be. So you can see the outlook of the background here. So when you come to this pricing, all right, this pricing just tells you how much you're gonna pay if you wanted to pay to get some pro add-ons. All right, so you can see if you wanted to really pay for a subscription, but I use the free account. All right, so and the free account does everything I want for me, and like I said, I don't need to sign up, I don't need to even do anything. All right, so straight here you can see remove image background 100% automatically, and it's free, like I said. All right, and look, I'm not logged in, I've not done anything. All right, so once you're on this website, all right, this is also an AI tool. So what it helps you do is to remove background from any image, and this literally takes like 3 seconds. Okay, so you can either drop the URL of the image you want here, all right, by clicking here, or you can just drag and drop here, or you can click here and upload. But the one I love to do most is always to drag and drop, and that's quite simple. So I'm going to be using this image because I've used it before, and it's one of my best images. So you can see it says drop image anywhere. All right, so I'm just gonna drop my image anywhere, and it literally 1 2 bingo. Was that even up to 3 seconds? Like, and you can see this is clear. This is clear. All right, and you just need to come here. They didn't log in. So I'm just gonna come here right now and click on download here. If you want to download it in HD, that is in higher definition, and you can see the full image here. All right, you will have to sign up again and maybe get the premium version. I'm going to drop the link of this website in the description, in the video description. I'm going to drop the link there. So just hit on this download here, and you see it's already downloading here, absolutely free. I didn't sign up, nothing. All right, so you can see my image here. So let's say, and you can see it, bingo, this has no background, and this is what people are literally paying. So people would pay you to do this. All right, and so just wait for a minute where I'll show you exactly how to make money with this, how to make $100 removing background in just 3 seconds. What you saw me do here, I'm going to show you how to do this. And if you watch this to the very end, again, I'm going to show you how to make 10 times that amount. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We are done with this website now. You've downloaded your image, you know. So I'm just gonna come to this website called Fiverr.com, and it's a marketplace that has millions of people who are looking for people who can offer such services to them. All right, so I've been using Fiverr, so I'm on Fiverr, so I'm just gonna go straight here. All right, I'm gonna leave the link too. All right, so the first link here, or just go to the second one, whatever. All right, so you can see signing, joining, but no, I'm not doing any of that today. I just want to show you something. All right, so come to this search bar here. All right, so come to this search bar and type remove. All right, just type remove, and you can already see remove background. You can see remove background from image. That's to tell you this is This is a trending skill here. You can see product background remover, bug photo background remover. You get, so this is a skill that a lot of people are already selling here, and it's trending. All right, so what do? You just join the trend and get your piece of the pie. All right, so you can see this is $10 for doing this. I will remove background from images quickly and professionally, and this guy is charging $10 for this. All right, but let's say these top column guys are the A-listers. All right, so let's come down to the second group. All right, so these people who are really like, let's say 4 point something, you come down. All right, so this guy is here. I'm just gonna go with, I think I like this guy, I like this girl here, so I'm gonna choose this guy. I just want to show you something real quick. Okay, so you can basically see that this guy, all right, this is the gig he does. He literally does this, and so you can see for basic he is charging $10 for basic. All right, and his delivery time is 1 day. Your delivery time could be 1 hour, and people are just going to rush because people love to get their stuff done in the shortest time possible. All right, so for standard he is charging 10, and for premium, let's see what he's charging for premium. That's $15. That's $15 for what we did that like 3 seconds was that. All right, and you can see, if you think this is not working, you can see that this guy, all right, he got his last delivery 1 day. Okay, 1 day delivery. Let's see the last time he, okay, let's see the last time he, last month. And this guy's been doing this since 2022. All right, so I guess that's why he's not on it. He's not on it. All right, but cool. All right, so let me just bring out my calculator quickly and show you something. All right, so now just bring my calculator up and show you something. All right, so let's just say you're not an A-lister, and as a beginner you're just trying to find your foot around this whole gig. All right, so you're not gonna be, let's say you're not gonna be making tons of turnover, but let's say you are able to get 2 orders a day. All right, because if you're able to promote this and you know your page is set up well, let's say you're able to get 2 orders a day, and those are for basic, not premium, that will be $10. All right, so let's say in a month, if every day you're getting 10 times 30, right? Okay, that's $300, and that looks like nothing, right? But I promise you, I was gonna show you another hack to make 10 times this revenue. So this is what we're gonna do, right? Fiverr don't allow you to create multiple accounts for a single user. So this is what you do. You just go to a couple of your friends, all right, and you open accounts with their profiles. Your friends that are not interested in Fiverr anyway, you're just gonna open accounts with their profiles, verify their accounts, and set the same gig up. And you have like 10 of your friends, and you've set down these 10 gigs, and these 10 of your friends, you have permutated yourself like it's 10 different people. So somebody gets to your other friend, that's still you, right? So let's say, and you times that by 10 of those accounts, all right, and boom, you are literally making the easiest $3,000 of your life without any skill. I don't know how this can get. All right, so if you've watched this video to this end and you've seen value in what I've shown you, you're one of the first people to see my channel. So do well to subscribe, because on this channel I talk everything finance, making money online, the easiest ways, the best tools to make money online with, and some hacks. All right, so basically just do well to subscribe, stay tuned, you know how we roll. And By the way, if you really want me to show you step by step how to set up a Fiverr account and set up a gig and promote your page so that you'll be ranked at the front page, right, just drop that in the comment section so that I can sit down and share this video. If it performs well, then I know this had value, and then I keep dropping content like this together. So I remain Peter, and this is Serge Finance. All right.